Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four here from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 28th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we certainly saw a rally across the board for equities here. The Dow by the end of the session was up 111 points. It is now back above that downsloping 20-period moving average, while the S&P 500 gained 11 points, firmly closing above the moving average, and Nasdaq was up 12 points today, seeing some follow through after that big bullish engulfing candle here. All looks good. We also saw higher volume across the board today. That's a decent sign. Now, Russell also bouncing very nicely and closing near its high. The bond market, TLT, pulling back slightly today, about 30 cents, was higher in the session before pulling back. Gold also moving down about 3 points or so at the close today. And crude really ruled the day here. That was the big story. OPEC reaching a deal to limit output, and the market certainly liked that. Look at that spike in volume here. Biggest volume we've seen in at least a year. Huge move higher. Question is, will it last? Well, momentum, at least based on that turn in the moving average here, it's starting to gain some momentum on the daily. If we look at the weekly looks pretty decent as well here. And and when we talk about where could this go, well, I'd say first target is right around the 50 mark here, and then potentially the 60 area. Okay, it's got a lot of work to do to get up there. Remember, there's a lot of companies hurting in this industry, and although OPEC's trying to put a limit on the output, will they comply? Will they not? A lot of them are very, very desperate need of sales. So we'll see how that works out. Also, if you look at the monthly doesn't look all that great, does it? I mean, certainly we've put in a higher low. That's great. Now what we need is a higher high to confirm the turn. But look at momentum. It is starting to flatten out, but certainly not upward momentum. This has been sharply lower for quite some time. So the oil market is going to be extremely interesting moving forward. And also, overall in the markets, we're heading into the month of October in an election year. And typically, the month of October can be very dicey, especially in an election year. So we'll have to keep a close eye on things. But, as we've been mentioning the last few days, there have been some pretty strong bullish patterns here in the index charts. And today we saw more follow through. So for now, everything looks good. Let's take it one step at a time. We've also got earnings season coming up soon in October. So a lot to look forward to. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.